The, the movie Tatlong Taong Walang Diyos. The film set during the Japanese occupation of the Philippines between 1942 and 1945 tells us the story of Rosario, or Narano, a young school teacher engaged to be married to Crispin. Crispin leaves Rosario to fight the Japanese as a guerrilla. In his absence, a Japanese Filipino officer named Musigi rapes her. Musigi returns to Rosario, apologizing to Alpha and bearing gifts, canned foods, and rice, which Rosario rejected. But suddenly, Rosario must make a choice: accept Musigi's proposal to make her his wife, saving her father and ensuring the safe and stable life in her child, or reject him and the baby they have conceived together.